A solid green broadband light on your AT&T Fiber BGW210 router typically indicates a stable internet connection. However, understanding what this means and knowing basic troubleshooting steps is essential when issues arise. However, issues can still occur even with this positive signal. When troubleshooting, always start with basic connection checks to ensure everything is properly connected. First, check the power cable connection. Ensure the power cable is securely plugged into both the router and a working electrical outlet. A loose power connection can cause intermittent issues. Next, inspect all cable connections. This includes checking the fiber optic cable connection to the PON port as well as all Ethernet cables. The fiber cable must be properly seated in the PON port for the connection to work. Pay special attention to the fiber optic cable connection. The fiber cable should be firmly connected to the PON port on your router. These connections are delicate and can become loose over time. Finally, check your Ethernet cable connections. Ensure all Ethernet cables are securely plugged in and not damaged. A loose Ethernet connection can cause connectivity issues for wired devices. These basic connection checks resolve many common issues. If your router still has problems after verifying all connections are secure, you may need to proceed to more advanced troubleshooting steps. If you're still experiencing connectivity problems despite the solid green light, the first advanced troubleshooting step is to properly restart your router. Unplug the power supply from the electrical outlet, wait exactly 1 minute, then plug it back in. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the router to fully reconnect to the network. Next, check the ONT, or optical network terminal. This is the small white box that converts the fiber optic signal for your router. Ensure the power light on the ONT is green and verify the PON light is solid green, indicating a proper connection to the AT&T network. If the power light is red, power cycle the ONT. Inspect your fiber line for tight bends, which can cause intermittent disconnections and signal loss. Tight bends in the fiber line can cause signal degradation. Reroute the fiber cable with a larger bend radius to resolve intermittent connection issues. For persistent issues, consider these advanced solutions. Intermittent disconnections may require a technician to swap ports due to a bad port along the line. If Wi-Fi speeds drop while Ethernet speeds remain high, the BGW10 may struggle with multiple streaming devices. Consider upgrading to the newer BGW320 modem or bypassing the BGW210 with your own router. These advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most persistent connectivity issues. If problems continue, contact AT&T support for professional assistance.